Hi everyone, in this video I will learn how to fix theme option not showing on your Instagram chat. So let's get started. So many of us facing a problem that's related with chats on Instagram. That's the option theme option not showing. When we go to Instagram, for example, I will explain to you the problem. As we say, you open your Instagram like this. Then what you're gonna do next, you go to your profile down here, down right. Then you go or you go to your profile feed. Then you go to your messenger option here at the top right. Then as you see, there is many friends here on your chat box. Now you want, for example, to search for a theme or to change theme chats. What you're going to do, you go to any chats of these chats, you click on it, you click on it like this. Then you click on the name of your user or your friend. Then as you see here, it show you down here the theme option. Theme is default. Now many of us not showing this option or not working. How to fix this problem? The first solution to fix this problem is by going to update your Instagram app. Go to Play Store, then go to your the search bar like this, then go to Instagram, search for Instagram, sorry. Then you click search. Then make sure if you have the update option here, as it's showing here, update, click on it and wait until the updating finish. Then your option will be restored or will be recovered, the theme option. Then check if the theme option is restored. Then what you're going to do next, if the problem not solving with you, what you're going to do, you go to your Instagram again and quit this page like this, and then go to the three lines at the top. Then go to settings and privacy like this. Then what you see here, you go down until you find help center. Click on it, then click on report a problem, then click on report. Then click on include and continue. Here what you're going to do, you will write a message. You write a message. Tell the supporters of Instagram or Instagram team to fix your problem. The problem is the theme option not showing. I will write the message and I will back to you. As we see here, we finished our message. The message is follow or is like this. Hi Instagram team, my theme option not showing on my account. Please help me to fix this issue very soon. Thanks team Instagram at the end. Then you can add a photo, explain more or to add more details about your problem. Go to the page of problem or the problem page. Take a screenshot, then add it here from your phone. Then when you finish, click on send like this at the end of your message, write in your message. Then guys, Instagram will reply to you for 24 hours or 48 hours, send you notification or message at the end. So this is how to fix this problem. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.